Now you get this straight. You can kill all the black folks you want to, baby, but you will not kill the freedom of black folks. It's coming, we're gonna get it. You fought in every one of your damn lousy wars, baby, and you give us nothing. Now the war is gonna be here, because we're gonna be free. Now you kill all you want to, but we kill too.
An agreement by which we can live or die. You choose. If you won't listen to me when I make an appeal for the Negroes because you have no concern for the Negroes, listen to me when I make an appeal for America. You claim you love America. Well, we love America. Should you try to pretend that I'm crazy because I want America to be saved? Human dignity? Should we be put down and shot to death for this request? If so, you can aim your guns. What the hell do you think we care about dying if you're gonna deny us the right to live?
quotation. We've listened to Malin's quotations. We know where we stand. We're not gonna sit for it. If I ask a man, I tell a man I am hungry.